professionals demand the highest quality tools to perform at the highest levels. To exceed limits. To challenge the impossible. To step into the unknown. To experience excitement anew. NSK is continuously creating the tools used to protect beautiful smiles around the world by working closely with dental professionals and technology partners across the globe. This is why we say, create it. When we need a culture of craftsmanship to deliver truly reliable quality, we create it. When you need innovative dental equipment to better treat your patients, we create it. When there is a need for sustainable manufacturing to protect the environment, we create it. Today, the world dreams of a healthier future. Together, let's create it.